a nice update today. It's a simple update, but it's a powerful one. Now, e-commerce stores and order forms have a state dropdown. This is going to enable state or province dropdown in the e-commerce order form as well as the store. This is going to ensure accurate address information and a better user interface. The reason that I love this is because it reduces errors. As far as benefits go, again, this is going to enhance accuracy. Now, your forms and your store will automatically populate states and provinces based on the selected country. It's also going to improve user experience because it's going to simplify the order form process. It's also going to reduce errors, which is my favorite part. This is going to minimize the chance of incorrect address entries by restricting the choices to only valid options for each selected country. The practical use is very simple on this. Now, as a business, you can ensure that customers are only seeing relevant state options within the order form and the store, which is really simply just going to reduce errors. People get excited and sometimes they get sidetracked, and this is going to prevent those errors, which actually cost your business time. So first, this happens within websites, and this is where we're going to be looking at that store. So we're going to go to sites and then websites. And then if we haven't created something, we're going to go ahead and click new. Now, just to make things clear, what you're seeing here is everything that is going to auto-populate when you add that store to your website. So right now you're kind of seeing that aftermath, but what I want to show you is actually going to happen in the checkout. So go ahead and click edit on the checkout page in the store that you have previously created. Now what you're going to see here is that when you look at the new updated live version, you're going to see that when they add the state in, that now they're going to have that state or province drop down that's available to them. So there can be no spelling errors, no typos, anything that might mess up your delivery or your records of the purchase. This is also going to be available within those order forms within your funnels as well. So go ahead into sites, into funnels. Of course, this will actually be available within websites as well. And go ahead and click either add a new funnel or go ahead and select one you'd like to edit. So when you are editing a funnel page, you are accessing each funnel page individually. Each funnel step, which is a little bit different than what you see in websites. So in this example, we're showing a funnel and you want to go ahead and click edit. Now, we are specifically talking about those order forms here, which is different than the web store. And so this is where people can purchase directly through a form, which is a really simplified way of giving people the option to buy. So in this example, you will have added that form element, and that will be under selection. You'll make sure you add a row under section, and then, of course, that order form element. And you will have saved this and it will be all ready to go. Now let's go ahead and look at that live once it's done. What you're going to see is exactly the same as within the store. Now you select that country. It's going to pull up an entire list of those states or provinces. So again, you can reduce those errors from simple spelling errors, people having fat fingers and typing an extra letter. This is going to save your business time when it comes to those orders. This new feature in the e-commerce order form area is going to enhance address accuracy and in turn that user experience, which is both going to benefit you as a business owner and your customers because it's going to save you time. It's also going to save frustration from your users. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.